I'm Mackenzie. I'm the kitchen manager at the Willamette Market of Choice. Let's brighten up your February with some flavor-packed seasonal dishes on the menu in February. For a delicious, satisfying sandwich, try the Bon Banh. It's a grilled, no antibiotic-ever lemongrass chicken piled on a toasted demi-baguette with flavorful rice vinegar, pickled carrots, and cucumbers. It's delicious to the last bite. We take seasonal vegetables to a whole new level with our Nashville Sweets. This vegan dish has sweet potatoes and yams tossed in a tangy, sweet, salty, and mildly spicy Nashville spice blend, then roasted and topped with green onions. If pasta salad is what you're after, try our Italian salami pasta salad. It has ratatouille pasta noodles with salami, smoked provolone, pimento stuffed green olives, red and green bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, basil, Parmesan cheese tossed in an Italian vinaigrette dressing. The only thing I can say about this is yum. Stop by Market of Choice. We'd love to make your day delicious.